Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today, join us on a mesmerizing journey as we explore the enchanting Elephant Passage Resort in the heart of Munnar, Kerala. Nestled atop a mountain, this resort promises breathtaking views and a tranquil escape. Our adventure begins with a dashcam view of the winding roads through the tea plantations, leading us to this hidden gem. As our car maneuvers the narrow, winding road, surrounded by lush green tea plantations and majestic mountains, anticipation builds. The journey itself is an experience, setting the stage for the serenity that awaits. A courteous welcome from the security personnel at the gate marks our arrival. The journey through the resort's plantation-lined concrete roads leads us to the expansive reception area, where the check-in process unfolds against a backdrop of stunning vistas. With check-in completed, a friendly staff member escorts us to our adjoining cottage rooms. The spacious, cozy interiors with all the essential amenities provide a home away from home. Join us for a detailed tour of our cottage, from the comfortable beds to the expansive balcony offering panoramic views of the plantation and mountains. As the day unfolds, the resort treats us to complimentary tea, coffee, and snacks at the restaurant. Picture-perfect moments unfold as we savor the delicacies against the backdrop of the resort's natural beauty. Explore the resort with us as we stroll through the car parking area, take a dip in the inviting swimming pool, and soak in the breathtaking views from the poolside. The resort's charm extends to its walkways, seamlessly blending with the natural beauty of the surroundings. By nightfall, witness the property illuminated in a captivating play of lights. As day one concludes, we eagerly await the dawn of a new day at Elephant Passage Resort. Join us as we venture into the morning, making our way to the restaurant on the first floor for a complimentary breakfast. Indulge in a feast for the senses with a panoramic view, delectable buffet spread, and live counters serving made-to-order delights. We explore the games room, showcasing the recreational offerings and, of course, more breathtaking views from its large glass windows. Our tranquil escape comes to an end as we bid farewell to Elephant Passage Resort. With hearts full of memories, we navigate through the resort's roads, leaving behind the Serenity and heading back to the bustling main road. Until next time, this has been our journey at the Elephant Passage Resort in Munnar, Kerala. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel escapades. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and until our next adventure, stay wanderlust inspired.